Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. Tapcoin Daily Combo, January 23, 2025. Supercharge your earnings with fun. Welcome to the future of gaming and earning. Tapcoin. Rock it whether you're a gaming enthusiast, a blockchain beginner, or just someone looking to make a little extra cash while having fun. Tapcoin has something for you. Built on the ultra-efficient TON blockchain, Tapcoin is breaking barriers with its simple, user-friendly interface and seamless integration with Telegram. With nearly 8 million active users, Tapcoin is more than just a platform. It's a growing community where Web3 meets entertainment. Featuring hit games like Hamster Combat, Gems, and X Empire, Tapcoin offers a diverse range of activities that make exploring blockchain technology not just easy but downright exciting. Why Tapcoin? Tapcoin isn't just another gaming platform. It's a Web3 powerhouse that merges entertainment with earning potential. Here's why you'll love it. Easy to use, no technical skills? No problem. Tapcoin's intuitive design ensures that anyone can dive right in. Integrated with Telegram. If you're already using Telegram, you'll love how effortlessly Tapcoin fits into your daily routine. Tons of rewards. Earn Tapcoins by playing games, completing tasks, and taking advantage of daily features like the Daily Combo. Real value. Your Tapcoins can be exchanged for exciting rewards or converted into real cash. How to get started? Getting started with Tapcoin is as simple as a tap. Follow these steps to begin your journey. Download the Tapcoin app. Head to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and download the app for free. Sign up. Create your account using your email, phone number, or a social media profile. Set up your wallet. Tapcoin uses a blockchain-based wallet, which makes it easy to store and manage your Tapcoins securely. Explore the app, check out the games, discover exclusive deals, and claim your daily rewards. Start earning, play games, complete tasks, and participate in the Daily Combo to maximize your earnings. Tapcoin Daily Combo, your key to bigger rewards. One of the most exciting features of Tapcoin is the Daily Combo, also known as the Daily Bounty. This feature is designed to make your time on Tapcoin even more rewarding. Here's how it works. Choose your bounty card. Select from a variety of cards, each offering a chance to win Tapcoins. Earn rewards. With prizes as high as 100,000 Tapcoins, the stakes are thrilling. Strategize for success. Tapcoin isn't just about luck. Use smart tactics, take advantage of hints, and optimize your chances of hitting the jackpot. Whether you're logging in daily to complete quick tasks or dedicating time to the games, the Daily Combo is your golden opportunity to boost your earnings and keep things exciting. More ways to earn on Tapcoin. Beyond the Daily Combo, Tapcoin offers a wide array of earning opportunities. Play and win. Explore a variety of mini-games that reward you with Tapcoins for your skills and time. Complete offers. Earn extra coins by participating in special promotions and deals. Refer friends, share the fun. Invite your friends to join Tapcoin and earn rewards for every successful referral. Daily challenges. Take on tasks and challenges that refresh every day to keep your earnings consistent. Seasonal events. Look out for limited-time events and competitions for a chance to win exclusive prizes. What can you do with your Tapcoins? The Tapcoins you earn have real-world value, and there are multiple ways to make the most of them. Redeem exciting rewards. Choose from a variety of gift cards, in-game items, or exclusive merchandise. Convert to cash. Tapcoin allows you to withdraw your coins directly into your bank account or digital wallet. Reinvest in games. Use your Tapcoins to unlock premium features, power-ups, or in-game currency for an even better gaming experience. Why gamers and blockchain enthusiasts love Tapcoin? Tapcoin is more than just a gaming app. It's a Web3 innovation that's bridging the gap between traditional gaming and blockchain technology. Here's what makes it stand out. Fun meets finance. Tapcoin transforms the earning process into an enjoyable activity. Blockchain without complexity. You don't need to be a crypto expert to enjoy Tapcoin. The platform handles all the technical stuff, leaving you free to have fun and earn. Community vibes. Join a global network of like-minded gamers and blockchain enthusiasts. Get started today. What are you waiting for? Don't miss your chance to explore the exciting world of blockchain gaming while earning real rewards. Tapcoin makes it easy, fun, and rewarding to dive into Web3. Video game. Download the app today, claim your daily combo, and start earning big.